that how to overcome the challenge. We try to teach you so that you go ahead with your dream, with your passion, whatever you want to do in your life, go ahead, put your head high and put the flag of IIT Kanpur very high. Okay? And whenever you need any sort of help, do not hesitate to write any of us, and we'll be always behind you. My best wishes are with you, and put your head high and face all these challenges. And you should dream very high and work hard to achieve those dreams. Okay? You should have faith on you, you should have confidence, okay? And future would be straight. So my best wishes are with you. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Now, is there anybody from faculty colleagues right now wants to say something? Professor Roshan, would you like to say something? Please, thank you.
I don't know if I taught this class particularly because in transitions going on, so I might have missed teaching you. But I just wrote, Moina asked me to write something for the new thing that you have done, which I am very happy about, that the newsletter that you are coming up with. That's a wonderful thing. So every time something happens and it stays on, you will be remembered. So that's the first thing you should know. Whatever you are doing today, if it stays on, stays back, then you will be remembered. So that little thing that you have done, a newsletter, which is now going to hopefully be there, that will be counted as the year that you have inducted it, and we'll all remember you. So that's a very important thing. I come from a different background because I am perhaps the only one now here who represents 2 decades back sitting on your place. Very rarely you will find. And remembering back, we always think about the great teachers we had at our times. I just hope that you will also have the same feeling when you come back or you just remember ITK. That's how it should be. A place which was your home for a period of time, and you enjoyed the chai at night in the canteens, had all kinds of discussions which had nothing to do with what you were doing. That's the best part of it. We talked about robotics at a time when I was doing chemistry here, years ago, had no idea what it was. But at 3 a.m. in the morning, we had a PhD student who we thought had actually gone crazy, would just start teaching us. And we will not sleep. Come back in the morning at 6 o'clock, we haven't slept because we were so excited by what he was talking about. So that's how it is. It's totally unconnected, nothing to do with what you do, but that's the fun of it. So carry it forward and be happy. That's the best part of it. And whenever you feel like, give it a shout. ITK is always there for you. And wherever you go, you will find that somebody or the other around you can relate to ITK. Just like that. And that should be the way how you look at it. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Bhushan. Now, Aditya from BS wants to say something.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Aditya from BS. So I'll just say some lines here. Most of us, or all of us, we are graduating today. Some of us, or even most of us, they have just given their last sem of their life. I've always wondered what would have happened if we had studied not just one night before the exam, but earlier. But I guess we'll never know now. Thank you.
Now, Sudarshana from BS also wants to say something.
Hello. Okay. So I'm Sudarshana and I'm going to sing a song.
Thank you very much, Sudarshana. I can assure you nobody is going anywhere. You will be here. You may not be physically, but here. Okay? So, now I would like to call somebody from MSc batch. Devajyoti. No? Somebody? Devashish? Yes.
हिंदी में बताओ तो अच्छा ही है। वो भी नहीं है। तो मैं एक ऐसा ही नॉर्मली हूँ, चिल इंसान हूँ और कुछ नहीं। लाइफ को इतना सीरियसली मत लो, सबका करो अपनी मन की। मेरे जिंदगी में मेरे दोस्तों का किरदार सबसे ज्यादा है। मेरे अंदर कुछ भी अगर उनके साथ मैं कॉलेज से ही एक साथ 6 लोग आए हैं हम लोग एक कॉलेज से। तो मतलब उन्होंने मेरे बहुत टफ टाइम में साथ दिया है। तो इससे ज्यादा नहीं बता सकता या तुम ठीक है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं। सॉरी।
Thank you, Devashish. Is there anybody else who wants to say something? Okay, come. Aman. Good evening to all of you. Sure, you must have seen me last year as well, so you must be wondering why I'm still here. I'm part of the BSMS batch, and honestly, it's been hard to tell where did 5 years go by. I know almost all of the profs here. At some point in time, I've done one or more of their courses. I don't know if they know me because I did lots of lectures, but I've definitely learned a lot from all of the profs here. And in my final year, I've been working with Gopa Kumar sir. I don't see him here, but he has been one of the best mentor and guides for me, who's helped me through a lot. I would like to give a shout out to all of the profs here because I've definitely learned a lot from all of their courses, even though I did not attend the lecture, but I still studied whichever lecture I did attend. This sir has taught me for 4 years. Every single organic course of mine has been under this sir. I'm proud of that. And other profs, Manak sir has taken physical, Vishal sir, Parao sir, Alimuthu sir, Espirat sir, Namuthu sir. I even took some small courses with Namratana, but I did not do it completely because not because I didn't attend it was because I could not take the course credits. But I've definitely studied under all. Many of the profs have taken lab courses also for us, where they definitely taught us a lot of the techniques that I have been using in my lab. So this is just appreciation for all of you profs, even though you may not know me, but I do appreciate you. Last thing, I just want to take a consensus vote from you guys if you agree with Bera sir's statement about marriage being boring. Okay, nice, sir. I misunderstood. Thank you. Okay, is there anybody else who wants to say anything? Anybody? Oh,
Good evening, everyone. If I had more time, this speech would at least be 5 minutes longer than it is going to be. But here it goes. I have so many memories from this department. Some amazing, some tough. But honestly, it's very hard to put them in a few words. This place, this department, it is so small that it has never felt like a department, but more of a family to me. Every professor who's taught me, every junior, senior and batchmate I've crossed paths with has played a special role in my journey. No professor here was actually truly strict. They only seemed strict to me when I wasn't studying. I keep mentioning Nishan sir first of all, but he never attends these events. I don't know why. His course terrified me so much that I almost missed a mid-sem. And I performed so bad that he actually asked me, "Do you want to do it again?" I said, "Yes, of course, sir." Espirat's class, he made learning so much fun. Sandeep Verma professor would tell us which chemicals are poisonous with a very big footnote to never use them on anyone. And Gopa Kumar sir, he always brings so much energy to every conversation and every class. And you cannot help but feel inspired once you talk to Professor Gopa Kumar. This department has shaped me in ways that I have never expected. And it's been a mix of stress, laughter, growth, and a lot of late nights, right before the exam obviously. But I would never trade it for anything else. Thank you to everyone who has been a part of this chapter. You have made it something truly special. Thank you.
anybody else? It has been a long day. So if nobody else wants to say anything more, I would just like to say that it is called farewell, but we are very sure you will fare very well.